What is up, guys? I have this Mitsubishi Evo 7 that's been abandoned for the better part of the last 4 years-ish now. This is it. It's been crashed. It hasn't moved. It hasn't been worked on for literally ages. Too long now. It's just been sitting here in my garage collecting dust. But today, that's gonna change. That is gonna change. So this is it. 2001 Mitsubishi Evo 7. It's not in the greatest condition right now. It's just been sitting here collecting dust and dirt. This is the front bumper. Hasn't been touched since the accident. This car was actually parked outside a house and just got backed into and smashed the whole front end. And today I'm gonna change that. Today is gonna be the first step on getting this car back on the road. So I've been slowly collecting parts for this car for the last year. It's gonna need a lot of work. Probably engine out. It's gonna need a whole new front end, new rad support. Got new headlights. It's gonna need all the works in the front end. The hood's all tweaked up. I think the fenders should be good. The fenders, I think, are savable. They're not that tweaked. But she's gonna just need some love. So this isn't the OEM Evo 7 bumper. This is an aftermarket fiberglass bumper, and this bumper's been fixed before in the past. But I'm just trying to make a decision if I fix this bumper or if I keep it. You guys can let me know in the comments if I should go with this style bumper or put like an Evo 9 style bumper back on it. I've been trying to gather parts for the last 6 months of this. The back end is pretty good. Just mostly I want to fix all the rust issues while I do the front end. I want to do it proper, so it's going to be a series. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I'm going to try to get this car running by mid-July. So it gives me a month to finish this car. Pop the hood. Whoops. So within actually the last 3 years, this car's kind of rusted a decent amount. The rad support's all mangled, so I got a brand new rad support from Mitsubishi over there somewhere, and the motor's gonna come out. I'm gonna repaint the whole bay because there's no point of changing the rad support and just painting the rad support. Then it's just gonna be hard to blend in the bay. So I'm gonna repaint the whole bay, give this car some maintenance, new headlights. I'm gonna rebuild these headlights. I have another set that I'm gonna make. I'll make one separate video on just rebuilding these headlights into a good set because all the tabs broke from the accident. I might have to buy a new intercooler. This one might be leaking from the accident. I'm not sure. I have to boost leak test it. Tab broke. Just a bunch of odds and ends. But the motor's gonna come out. We're gonna repaint, re-clean everything, the whole bay. Trying to do a little resto mod and bring it back to its glory. The bay is rusting pretty bad in the seams, so I'm gonna get rid of that, paint the whole bay white with the rad support. You could technically do it on the cheap way and just change the rad support and paint the rad support and keep the bay like this, but this is a no-no. This car needs some love. I know the hood's tweaked. You could tell from the accident it got bent. I'm not sure if it's savable. Here too, it kinked in. Not sure if the hood's savable, but we'll see. I know the bumper is going to have to be fixed. The first thing I'm going to do today is get this car out so I can make some workspace in the garage. And I'm going to take out the whole front end. So I'm going to take the hood off. I'll take the fenders, the lights. The whole front end needs to come off this car. I'm pretty much going to get it ready to pull the motor. And once that's done, I'm going to take the rad support completely off, and yeah, I guess we'll get to work. Now let's see if I can take this hood off by myself. Pretty light too, it's aluminum. Gonna unbolt these headlights. Every tab is pretty much broken on this headlight. Got the headlights off, the hood off. The new headlights, they're going in the car in the trunk. They've been sitting here for a long time. Ooh, look at these. These came off a Evo 8 JDM. So they're black with the amber. So these are the new headlights. They're gonna need some work. I think when I'm gonna rebuild these ones, I'm gonna put the chrome housings in here, because the black housings only look good kind of in my opinion with the 8 or 9 front end. The chrome housings in my opinion are the best for the Evo 7 front end for sure. So I think take these apart, rebuild them, and I'll have a separate video on just rebuilding these headlights. Pretty much all I'm going to do is take the chrome housings out of these, put them into these, polish up the lenses, and they'll be met. The only thing that I'd have to swap out, yeah, these don't have the ballast. I might have to get some new ballasts for these because these are HIDs. Because I think one of these ballasts is blown. Okay, next I'm just going to take off as much stuff as I can to get ready to pulling the motor. If I don't pull it today, then I'll pull it tomorrow, but I'll start getting everything off it to pull today. So intercooler, intake, rad needs to come out, the wiring disconnect, and yeah, let's get started. Still rusted from the accident since it crushed all the paint. It's gonna turn out nice when I restore these. It might be actually easier just to buy these brand new. I think they still sell them brand new. But I think I'm gonna try to zinc as many bolts as I can, and powder coat stuff like brackets and stuff as I can. So I'm gonna take out these clamps. I know when they get rusty, they tend to snap. So I'll take the intercooler off. So since this bracket broke, it's the only bolt that holds on this intercooler, it should just come off. These tabs hook on those rubber bushings on the rad sport. I'm gonna just jack up the car quick to empty out the coolant so I can pull the rad and rad hoses off. Let's see how much of a mess I make here. Got the drain plug. Hopefully you guys can see this. Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. Not bad. Gonna pull off this shitty eBay rad hose that does not belong on this car. It's really shitty quality. This is why I don't buy shit quality rad hoses, because they just tend to blow up. They're just bad silicone. Of course this one's gonna be tight on there. There you go. Got my flathead for up here. How shitty this rad hose is. It's literally about to explode. The rad can come out now. Pretty sure I have everything disconnected. I undid the lower rad hose, and the fan plug should just come out just like that. So I'm actually just going to take my time, but I am taking off the strut bar right now. A couple of 14 mils, 2 here, 2 in the middle, 2 on the other side. These bolts are rusted. Can't wait to make those look nice again. Some zinc. I just can't wait to drive this car this summer. It's been too long. 2 in the middle. It's kind of cool these Evos have these stock metal strap bars to reinforce the struts. Every bolt on this car is just tight and like seized, corroded. So there's actually no AC in this car, since when it did get in a crash it messed up the condenser. So the system's not charged with AC right now, so I'm gonna take out all the AC lines. Usually if the system's still full with good AC and it runs good, I take off the compressor and hang it on the side, but since there's no AC in this, I'm just gonna take off the lines to make it easier when I pull this thing. AC specific bolt. And I can take out this AC line completely. Get it out of my way. Power steering. It's gonna have to come off. Oh, fuck. Oh. Guess I can keep the intake covered for now. I guess the exhaust needs to come off. The drive shaft. And we are back. It's been like 2-3 hours. It started raining on me, so I kind of just decided to head inside and call it a day. But it's like Calgary. It started rained for like an hour, if not 2. But I got the Evo jacked up. I kind of just stopped working on it. I'm taking my time with it. The garage is a mess. I need to kind of organize myself here. But I emptied out all the fluids. So I drained the oil in the engine, the T-case fluid, and the trans fluid. And while I was under there, I was like, might as well spray some WD-40 on all the rusty bolts. So I sprayed some WD. Sorry about the lighting. I sprayed some WD-40 on the exhaust bolts, and yeah, just started taking some stuff under the car. I got pretty dirty. Was not nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym right now. I might work on it when I'm back, and if I do, I'm gonna drop everything under it. So the exhaust, the drive shaft, and the axles will probably go next. Okay, take 3. It's a new day. I kind of called it a short day last night because I got busy, but we're back, and today I want to hopefully get the motor out from the bottom. I'm thinking, I've never done it on the bottom with the without a hoist, but we're gonna try. Why not? Okay, so I got the exhaust off. I just need to do the drive shaft, and then I'm gonna do the north-south bar next. And then hopefully I'll be that much closer to taking the engine out. I also got to do the heater core hoses, the wiring, and then the shifter cables, and then that's pretty much it. Like, I've pretty much gotten every big thing out of the way, and this thing will just drop down, and then I'm gonna roll the car outside and clean it. So it's been an hour or 2. I got the north-south bar off. Got the drive shaft off, the exhaust is off, I already put it in the back, cleaned up my area, my work area, my tool area. But so far so good. Everything's looking good. The power steering's disconnected, wiring harness is completely off. Everything's unconnected from the motor except for the ACD center diff lines. And then this thing should come down. I just gotta unconnect the brake lines from the calipers because I'm gonna drop all of them together. And I'm actually also thinking of bringing the car out here so I have more space to work on it. So that's it so far. I've been working on it for the last 4 or 5 hours. I just need more space since this garage kind of screws me. It should come down tonight. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough time to finish it tonight. Yeah, I just have some plans later, so I might get to it tomorrow and drop the engine out tomorrow. But yeah, I just need to clean up. I'm gonna go clean up my hands, my body, kind of dirty right now. But yeah,